In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your listings on Facebook Marketplace like a robot in 2025. Whether you've decided it's time for a fresh start or just want to declutter your online presence, this guide will help you efficiently remove all your listings. Alright, let's dive into it. First, let's head over to Facebook. Start by logging into your account through your preferred web browser or app. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options on the home screen. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see an account icon. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. This is where all the magic happens as we navigate through the different settings Facebook offers. After you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, you'll want to find the activity log. This is essentially your digital footprint on Facebook, a record of everything you've done on the platform. Click on Activity Log and you'll be taken to a page displaying all your activities. Now that you're in the activity log, look for the option that says Your Facebook Activity. This can be found on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will allow you to view recent activities associated with your profile, including posts, interactions, and importantly, your marketplace activities. Next, focus on the sidebar that appears. Here, you'll find a list categorized by different activities. Scroll through this list until you spot Facebook Marketplace. Click on it, and you should see a comprehensive list of all your marketplace activities and listings. As you hover over each listing, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing beside it. This is your key to managing each listing. Click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will show up, giving you options on actions you can take regarding that specific listing. In this menu, select the Delete option. This action will prompt a confirmation window to appear, asking you if you're sure about deleting the listing. Be aware that deleting is a permanent action and cannot be undone. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and confirm by clicking Delete. Once more, you'll need to repeat this action for each listing you want to remove. While it might seem tedious at first, keeping your marketplace activity tidy is satisfying, and Facebook doesn't offer a bulk delete option just yet. And that's it. You've successfully removed a listing from Facebook Marketplace, gradually working your way through all of them. Now you can have peace of mind knowing that your online presence is slightly less cluttered. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful.